Hi.
Hi, Gohar. How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. It's so good to see you. You're looking gorgeous as ever.
Thank you. You too. Lovely. I like your makeup.
I did not know, I was like, Gohar Khan is going to be on the screen sharing. I have to
You look lovely.
sunbathe.
You look
Thank
lovely.
you. On behalf of all your fans, first of all the followers, millions of them across the world, I must say this. You are just amazing. You're gorgeous. You're an entrepreneur. You're talented. You sing, you dance, and
I
go
bathroom
get a
singer.
woman.
I'm a bathroom singer.
Oh,
But
today you will have to be Instagram singer also.
tomorrow, actually, it's funny. I'm having a singing session with a very talented singer. So that's what's going to happen tomorrow. But yeah, today it's about you. So come on, let's shoot it
No,
with
no,
what.
it is actually about you. And I was, when they said Gauhar Khan, then I was like, her body of work is just amazing. But right now, this ball of energy, what has she been doing in lockdown? Because all of us are literally going crazy. And I was watching your TikTok videos and
Yeah.
your fitness videos. Just amazing. You've
Thank
always
you.
been into fitness?
Yes, always, all my life. I started working out when I was 17 because I participated in Miss India, and
Yeah.
right then we were told and we were taught how to take care of our bodies and food and all of that. So I think the Miss India training that you get, the 40-day training that you get, was fantastic. I think it built so much of my personality, and I've been working out ever since. I don't think there's been a week or maybe the maximum I've gone without working out, maybe if I'm on a holiday or something like that. But even then, I work out.
Yeah, in
uh,
some way or the other. So,
yeah,
tell me something, a lot of people in the daily stress of their work, we take our fitness for granted. So, do you want to say something to all your fans to take care of their fitness, whether they are in lockdown or working in everyday life?
everyone who's following me is obviously catching up a lot with everything that I'm doing. So I don't really, I'm very active on my Instagram page. So yeah, and also I put up a fitness kind of a short routine on my YouTube channel. So I'm getting a lot of great response for that. Everybody, अच्छा हिंदी में बात करते हैं because सब लोग
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल हाँ श्योर श्योर ऑफ
तो
कोर्स
YouTube चैनल जो मेरा है गौर खान,
जी
उस पर भी मैंने अपना एक छोटा सा रूटीन फिटनेस रूटीन डाला था. तो
अच्छा
उसके भी काफी अच्छे रिस्पॉन्सेज मिल रहे हैं. तो जो भी मुझे देखते हैं दे ऑलरेडी नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई डू एंड यू नो हाउ आई कीप अप विद दीज टाइम्स. एंड काफी लोग फॉलो भी कर रहे हैं वो सारा रूटीन. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. या
which is actually very good. We need inspiration from people like you. And I think it's absolutely great. So I was looking at few of your songs in which you were looking stunning. First of all, that song Jhala Wala in which you're wearing that sari. Do you know how many women actually follow that style after that?
well,
Yes,
it was supposed to
many.
be very show girly, like you know, she was a
Yeah.
performer. So and I was really really thin back then. So my कमर was इतनी सी पतली सी कमर थी. तो उस वक्त मैं जंगूरा करती थी. तो जंगूरा का जो फिटनेस लेवल था वो definitely you can see in that song. So
Yeah.
thank you. I'm glad कि girls like it and even I know
it,
like
it
it.
they liked it, and I think because of that sari fashion they also went into fitness and tried losing weight and everything. And then there was chokra jawan, and then there was also, I think, earliest was Bombay Vikings. You had done a music video, remember, hawa mein udta jaye. I don't know if all of your fans would remember that or not, but you came out of water in that green dress. You were like a dream then. How was your experience back then?
यू नो मैं एक लेट मी गिव यू सम ट्रिविया अबाउट दैट सॉन्ग. तो वो गाना जब हम शूट कर रहे थे सुबह 4 बजे थे एंड इट वाज अ स्विमिंग पूल शॉट. जब वो मैं पानी से निकलती हूँ द ओपनिंग शॉट. और उस वक्त मुझे स्विमिंग बिल्कुल नहीं आती थी. तो मुझे पानी के नीचे अपने सांस को कैसे रोकना है ये मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता था.
Oh
तो
God.
इनफैक्ट रेमो डिसूजा who's the biggest director and choreographer right now that we have, it was his video, it was his first choreography video as well. हवा में उड़ती जाए. तो आई रिमेम्बर इट वाज हिम एंड द डायरेक्टर राहुल सूद जो मुझे बोल रहे थे खान चलो तुम कर सकती हो, कम ऑन तुम कर सकती हो. एंड आई डोंट नो हाउ आई डिड इट क्योंकि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अगर आपको पानी का डर है, मुझे पानी का बहुत ज्यादा डर था उस वक्त. तो आप कैसे सांस पकड़ोगे पानी के अंदर, राइट? तो ऊपर से बाहर आके आपको और खूबसूरत लगना है उस वक्त. एंड आई वाज जस्ट 17 18 एट दैट टाइम. एंड That was fun. I'll always remember that shoot. It's one of the best videos, and it still does really well. So, yeah, and also the
Absolutely.
song was great. The song
In,
was great.
the song was good, but you added that charm right in the beginning when you come out of that. I think it was worth holding your breath for that long. You actually left a lot of people breathless because of that. So tell me something. Who is Gauhar Khan in real life?
Gaur Khan is just this. I love to talk. I love to just make the most of my day. I'm a person who doesn't really. मुझे ना बुराई के बारे में सोचने में अपना वक्त नहीं बिताना होता है. I want to concentrate on what's good in my life और मैं कौन सी चीजों के लिए खुश हूँ और कौन सी चीजों के लिए grateful हूँ. And I'm that person. I love talking to my friends, my family, everybody who's close to me, and that's about it. I'm a simple person, and I'm a very hard working person. So मुझे कोई भी आप task दे दो, मैं अपना 100% दे दूंगी उसमें. And I know that no one else is going to do it for me, so I have to do it for myself.
Yeah, I know. In the body of work that I saw, you had danced. You in fact won Jhalak Dikhla Ja.
I was second in Jhalak Dikhla Ja. I won Big Boss.
Oh yeah, Big
I was a
Boss,
finalist. Yes.
The
I
first
was top
runner-up
two.
in Jhalak Dikhla
Yeah.
Ja, but even
Yeah.
reaching the first runner-up is not easy.
Especially when I was not from a mass field at that time. No one really knew who Gaur Khan was. Of course, the modeling world and everybody who follows fashion knew that I was one of the top models of the country at that time. But Jhalak gave me that platform to kind of showcase my talent. उस वक्त सबको पता चला कि अच्छा गौर खान जैसे एक लड़की है और वो नाच लेती है, अच्छा नाचती है.
Yes.
So it gave me a lot of, it gave me a good platform to kind of be out there. And in fact, झलक के पहले परफॉर्मेंस के बाद मुझे ऑडिशन का कॉल आया था फॉर रॉकेट सिंह. And then I did 5 rounds of auditioning for Rocket Singh, and then finally I got that role. So Jhalak played a very important role in my life, actually.
Yeah, in fact, I was about to say that you broke a lot of regular things that people think of, that models cannot act or models cannot be an entrepreneur.
Yeah.
You actually proved that those kind of notions are wrong.
Yeah.
You also have Goharalicious, your
Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Yes. I think you're looking delicious, so it's all getting mixed up in that. You've been an entrepreneur. You moved on from being a model, although you were a fantastic model, and many of your colleagues are still walking the ramp, and they're also doing great. You went on to become an actor. How was your experience when you first acted, and which was your first experience, first advertisement?
I've not done many ads actually. I don't know why. I never used to pass a audition test whenever I did a. जब भी मैं audition ads के लिए देती थी, मुझे कभी नहीं मिलते थे ads. लेकिन thankfully जब मैंने अपना पहला audition दिया, which was for Rocket Singh, उस वक्त they didn't want a girl who, I mean, कोयना जो कैरेक्टर था वो एक बहुत ही बंगाली लुकिंग लड़की के लिए लिखा हुआ था, जिसकी बड़ी बड़ी आंखें होंगी, you know, that kind of look that they wanted. लेकिन Jaideep sir and Shimit sir liked my audition so much in the first round that they kept auditioning me 5 times, and then finally they said कि नहीं ये लड़की इतनी, like her performance is so real that we will change the character. तो वो original लड़की का नाम था कोयना मुखर्जी, and they changed the name of the character to Koina Sheikh, saying कि ये मुस्लिम लड़की है, typically बंगाली नहीं है, लेकिन हमें यही चाहिए. So finally that's how I got the role, and that was my first auditioning experience, and I was very happy that Rocket Singh was my first film, and it still gives me so much credit as an actor that I cannot exchange that for anything else.
Well, that was actually, it means that you put in that much of an effort, and you had that talent of being an actor also.
Yeah.
Well, Ishq Zadeh was one of the landmarks in your acting career. How was your experience on Ishq Zadeh? Was it difficult for you, that role?
No, actually, Ishq Zadeh for me was fantastic because I got to work with an amazing director, Habib Faisal sir. He's in a school. I mean, he's a school in himself. He's taught me a lot working on that film because he believed in me that I could dance, and also this was not just a dancer. It was like the soul of the film. She represented what the soul of the film was Chand Baby, my character.
Yes.
And he believed in me, and he kind of again fought his way around to have me in the film. And I really owe him a lot for that. And all my films, in fact, Begum Jaan, and even my small special appearance in Badrinath Ki Dulhania, even that for me is very close to my heart, because I feel like every role teaches you something. Every character
That is true.
gives you something, you know, that you cannot exchange. So yeah.
That's true. You know how heartbroken all of us were for Begum Jaan. And Chand Baby was amazing. It was, I think, a character you made it yourself.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, we can't imagine anybody else in Chand Baby. Well, coming back to your body of work, you know, how did you transition, and how mentally did you see that, you know, okay, I've done modeling now, I need to move on, and I also need to be an entrepreneur. Was that it just happened, or you deliberately thought that you wanted to
No,
do multiple things?
no, it's actually not a move on. It's not like I have let go of something and that's how I'm doing it. Gorgeous is just a part of me, and I'm going to make sure that I give it my all. Gorgeous में अपना बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देती हूँ, अपना बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ट है मेरा और मेरी बहन निगार का एक्चुअली बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत है उसमें. मेरी पूरी टीम जो मेरी प्यारी लड़कियां रही हैं मेरे साथ, Aneri, you know, Ashna, Shruti, Gauri, Kajol for that matter. Everybody has contributed such beautifully. All my tailors, everybody, they're very close to my heart, and Gorgeous is my baby. And it wasn't like a decision that I'm going to leave something and do that. I've kind of managed both my acting career.
Yeah. Okay, all right. So, Gauhar, what आप घर में क्या कर रहे हैं आजकल?
मैं एक्चुअली जब भी वक्त मिलता है आई डू अ लाइव सेशन व्हेनेवर आई कैन. मैं वर्कआउट कर रही हूँ, मैं बहुत ज्यादा वो कर रही हूँ जो मैं पहले नहीं कर पा रही थी. मैं दुआ बहुत कर रही हूँ. आई एम प्रेइंग अ लॉट. आई एम मेकिंग श्योर दैट माय नमाज इज हैपनिंग रेगुलर. आई एम रीडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ माय कुरान बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स रमजान इज कमिंग एंड आई वांट टू लाइक गिव इट माय ऑल. नॉट दैट आई डोंट डू इट एवरी ईयर, बट दिस ईयर इट्स अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी बिकॉज आप घर पे ही हो, आपके बाहर ज्यादा डिस्ट्रैक्शंस नहीं है. And I'm taking care of myself. I'm trying to be happy. मैं अपने दिमाग को ज़्यादा negative space में नहीं ले जा रहे हैं कि you know कोशिश कर रही हूँ. I'm watching a lot of great shows. I'm spending time with my cat, my mom. I have a great house help. She's being very kind to all of us. She's taking care of my entire house, and her name is Pinky. She's amazing. And yeah, I'm talking to my family, friends whenever I can.
Okay. Well, I'm going to quickly ask you some very fun questions, and let's see, these questions have, I think you may have encountered some of them. They're just going to be rapid fire. So without thinking, whatever comes to your mind, just say. Okay? Bindas.
Okay.
तो गौहर से हम लोग पूछेंगे कुछ सवाल ऐसे जो कि उन्होंने कभी नहीं सुने हैं पहले, एंड उनको टाइम नहीं दिया जाएगा. जस्ट 1 सेकंड के अंदर उनको रिप्लाई करना है. सबसे पहला, राइट नाउ आपका फेवरेट गाना कौन सा है?
हवाएं, जो When Harry Met Sejal वाला पिक्चर का जो गाना है. इनफैक्ट मैंने आज अपने स्टोरी पे भी डाला था. हवाएं. I'm listening to that a lot.
Everybody wants you to sing.
अरे यार मुझे उसके लिरिक्स इतने आते नहीं है, बट मैं बहुत सुन रही हूँ.
गुनगुना के बता दीजिए.
तुझको मैं रख लूं वहाँ जहाँ पे कहीं हो मेरा यकीन. मैं जो तेरा न हुआ किसी का नहीं, किसी का नहीं, बेगानी है ये राहें हवाएं हवाएं. बस इतना ही आता है मुझे.
My God, whoever told you can't sing?
No यार, कुछ भी नहीं, मैं ऐसे गुनगुनाती हूँ.
आपके फैंस, आपके फॉलोअर्स, अभी जितने लोग लॉग्ड इन हैं, if you loved her singing, please send a thumbs up. Please send wishes right away, because I actually believe that I think if you get a classical training or a little bit of a training, you would rock it.
I do actually want to get myself some training. That's true. I really want to get myself some training.
Amazing, yeah, hidden talents there.
Thank you.
So all the bathroom singing has worked. Well, okay. So do you cook?
I do.
Okay. So right now during the lockdown, आपकी सबसे favorite recipe कौन सी है बनाने के लिए?
I'm not cooking right now during the lockdown because I'm not going into the kitchen at all. Thankfully, I have help at home. My mom's cooking really great dishes for me. She made gajar ka halwa yesterday, but I've not been cooking at all. Why should I
Oh
lie?
God, you reminded me of gajar ka halwa. Now I'm in trouble. I'll have to find all the gajar and tell her to make it. Well, okay. So this is gonna be the two-level question. Who's your favorite actor? Male actor in
Uh, in
Bollywood.
in Bollywood, oh my God, that's tough. Amitabh Bachchan, of course, there's nobody like him. Farhan Akhtar, I love Farhan Akhtar. Vidya Balan, I think she's fantastic. Um, yeah.
And the second part is who's the hottest of these? Not the one that you
Farhan Akhtar.
selected. And no, you cannot select Amitabh Bachchan's name.
No,
He is
Farhan
hot
Akhtar,
at another
I'm
level.
saying Farhan Akhtar. I think he's very
Farhan
hot.
Akhtar, Farhan, if you are listening, yes, I also believe you are one of the
I think
hottest
he's
guys.
hot more than enough because every interview I've only called him hot. No, also I think Abhay Deol is very hot. I really like Abhay Deol.
Yeah, I think his hotness is little, people take it for granted, but I think
It's
he's got a
different.
very
It's quirky. I
intelligent,
like it. Yeah.
yes, absolutely. I agree. I agree.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, let's move on from that. We'll talk about boys a little later.
Okay.
So, now this is a little troublesome thing. If you want to answer, you can, but if you don't want to answer, up to you. आपके सबसे overrated actor in Bollywood, who would you name?
You know, I don't think anybody is overrated because if they are there, they have some rate, right? So
Yeah.
it's not my space to kind of comment on that. Not
Yeah.
required. Yeah.
All right. Okay. So holidays are out of the question for some time. थोड़े time के लिए holidays नहीं होने वाले हैं.
Yeah.
लेकिन जब holidays शुरू होगा, जब when the lockdown will finish and coronavirus will be finished from the world,
Yeah.
which we pray that happens soon.
Yeah.
Which would be the first destination, holiday destination you would go for?
I want to go to London. I want to go meet my brother and his kids, and everyone is there. So I want to go to the UK for sure. In fact, अगर ये नहीं होता तो इस वक्त मैं अमेरिका में होती do on a tour with I mean for some work. But yeah, if inshallah I'm hoping जैसे ही खत्म हो. First of all, I want to start working because I'm really missing my work. But if I do make a trip, I'll definitely go to the UK.
Yeah, I think everybody has been missing their work most. Nobody's gonna complain about work or
Yeah.
traffic. Are there
Yeah,
too many people?
ever.
Are there too many kids in the flights?
Ever.
I think nobody's gonna complain about that.
Yeah, ever, I think.
We have experienced that. So now in the end of this session, since we are running short of time, I want to ask you to sing me a song that was Hawa Mein Udta Jaye.
I can't. I don't even remember Hawa Mein Udta Jaye lyrics.
हवा में उड़ता जाए तेरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का
अरे
हो जी
लेकिन वो तो डिफरेंट थी इसमें लिरिक्स अलग थे एक्चुअली बिकॉज इसमें मेरे वाले गाने में ये था कि हवा में उड़ती जाए नीरज हैज संग इट लाइक दैट हवा में उड़ती जाए मेरा लाल दुपट्टा
देखिए मैं आपकी तरफ से मैं पानी में से निकल आती हूँ ओके आई एम गोइंग राइट नाउ आई एम इनसाइड द वाटर नाउ यू सिंग
सो क्यूट हवा में उड़ती जाए मेरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का और मेरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का हो दिल पे वार चलाए तेरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का तेरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का हो जी
This is a live session where Gauhar Khan
Oh,
was singing. Gauhar Khan was my playback singer. How cool is that?
How cute! And you look lovely coming out of that imaginary water.
Yeah, I know. If next time you want to do that, you can also do that, and I'll sing for you.
Oh, okay, yeah, sure, please.
Are you putting me in this spot? So, tell me one more thing. Who's your dream director to work with as of now in Bollywood as well as in Hollywood? Two different industries.
A Hollywood director is a little too far for me to pick, but inshallah, I hope I do some work in Hollywood for sure. I really want that to happen.
Inshallah, you will.
Hi, Supra. My friends are joining in, so I will talk to them after you leave. But in Bollywood, there are so many. I would love to work with Sanjay Leela Bhansali. That would be a dream. I would love to work with Mohit Suri. I think he's fantastic with what he does. I would love to work with Vikas Behel. He's a friend of mine, but I don't know if he's listening to this. He's fantastic at what he does. I'd love to work with, oh my God, can I tell you my number one pick? Like, if that happens, I would probably
I'm,
faint.
I'm making a list.
Inshallah, I really want to work with Sriram Raghavan. I think he is my
Oh,
number
I
one
agree.
director, and inshallah, if that happens, if
I
that call comes in this year, inshallah, whenever it comes, I'll probably faint.
well, you know, this Ramadan, I'm gonna pray this for you that
Oh, thank you.
starting from option number one to the other options,
Thank
also
you.
these calls should come to you because you're worth it.
Oh, thank you very
Absolutely
much.
worth it.
Thanks, darling.
And what are your preparations going on for Ramadan month?
I've already started my Quran. I'm on my fifth para now. Other than that, I have mom and she'll make amazing food. In fact, whenever it's Ramadan, the Sehri time I cook, so I make the eggs and everything. So I look forward to that. Only thing that I'll miss this time would be that, Ramadan time, बहुत ज़्यादा जो अच्छे अच्छे खाने के वो जो stalls लगते हैं वो सब मिस कर जाऊंगी मैं इस बारी and that vibe at Yari Road and Mohammed Ali Road and everything, there's a vibe
Yes.
with Ramadan around, and I'm really gonna miss that this time. I'm gonna miss my friends coming for iftar and my it's going to be different with I don't know how it's going to be, but I'm just praying that this Ramadan, people should just get the good news that Corona is over forever. I just wanted to go away from this world. So, inshallah, hopefully, it'll bring good news for all of us. Yeah.
Absolutely. And we also pray during this Ramadan month that you stay safe, your family stays safe. And I think this is an inward journey also for all of us. We are realizing a lot of things, not just about our own family, our own bodies, the whole Mother Earth, and loving each other more. So this is sending you a lot of love
Thank you.
from Seven Entertainment. It has been great talking to you, Gaurav.
Thank you. You've been
Just
lovely,
said
and thank you for your interesting questionnaire and everything that you were great at asking me all these amazing questions. And you look beautiful.
Especially coming out of water.
Yeah, especially coming out of water.
I couldn't do that.
You look lovely. Yeah. Thank you
so much, Jawhar.
Take care. Thank you. Bye. God bless.
I do. Bless you.